sToolTracker allows for the creation of a BOM of tools for use in production. To get started, search for sToolTracker Tool BOM and open the card. Expand the card and select New for a new BOM. Enter a description, and you can choose a status for the particular BOM. In this case, ours is new, but there are also other statuses such as certified, under development, and closed. We can now select all of the tools which are going to make up our BOM for use in production. Select the tool and the description is automatically filled. Then select the work location where the tool is to be used and enter a quantity. You can do this for as many tools as you require. It's also possible to enter a comment for each of the tools in the BOM. From the menu, select Comments for the particular tool. Now enter your comments and you're done. Now our tool BOM is complete. We set the status to certified. We can then close the card and our tool BOM is ready to be used in our production.